Who be the king of the sound? Bust a bus back and just put a lock on the town. I know my bitches be coming from miles around. See, they